The primary motor cortex that controls right hand movements is located at C3 point. This point may be helpful in patients with Parkinson's disease, writer's cramp, fibromyalgia, migraine, stroke rehabilitation, complex regional pain syndrome. First of all, make the circumferential measurement between nasal, the point between the nose and the forehead, and inion, the most prominent tubule on the back of the skull. In our case, this distance equals 32 centimeters. Mark CZ point that lies right at the middle of this line or at the 16 centimeters from the inion or from the nasion. Then, make circumferential measurement in coronal plane between periauricular points through CZ point. This distance equals 34 centimeters. C3 point lies 20% left along this line from CZ point, or in our case, 6.8 centimeters. Mark C3 point.